So this is how you can change your email on Instagram. Go on ahead and open up Instagram and then go to your profile at the bottom right. Now let's tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen and you're going to want to find Accounts Center. So here we are. This is basically all of the settings for your accounts on Instagram. What you're going to want to do is simply tap on Personal Details and there you go. As you can see, here we could even delete the account, we could set our birthday, or go to our contact info, which is what we need to do. So as you can see, this is my Gmail right here. You can go on ahead and tap on Add New Contact, and then add a new email. Once you do, you can tap on your current account and delete this email. So basically, you're going to replace it. But if you don't want to replace it, you can do that as well. You can just simply add a new email and keep the two emails. So I'm pretty sure that you can sign in with either email. But yeah, that is how you can change your email on Instagram. Once again, you're gonna have to go to Account Center, Personal Details, Contact Info, add a new account or contact, and then add your email and you could either choose to delete this or just keep it as is. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.